Hey, Mr. G, and I'm going to show you a really cool pattern for playing the notes for minor chord, except you're finger tapping them. It's a pattern you can use for all 6 strings. Now, if you were to look at a minor chord, it's your first, your third flatted, and your fifth. So if we use frets 12, 3, and 5, we got a little cool pattern here for doing minor notes for minor chords. Now, check this out, how it works. First of all, if I have an E minor is made up of E, G, and B. I have E here as an open string on my 6th string. I have E also on the 12th fret. I have a G on the 3rd fret, and I have a B on the 7th fret of the 6th string. E, G, B, those are my minor notes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my middle finger, or whatever finger you use to tap with. I use my middle finger. So I'm going to tap on that 12th fret to get that E. I'm also going to pull off of it to get the E for the open E string sound too. And then I'm going to hammer on with my index finger on that G, which is the 6th string 3rd fret. And then I'm going to hammer on my little finger on the B, which is the 6th string 7th fret. And that would be my E minor notes. And I'm just finger tapping with them. Now, if I take that same pattern and I go down to the 5th string and I go again, if I tap on that 12th fret and then pull off, that's an A. And if I hammer on with my index finger on the 3rd fret of the 5th string, that's a C. And I hammer on my little finger on the 7th fret of the 5th string, that's an E. A, C, and E. Those are your notes for the A minor chord. And again, I can do that pattern on the 4th string for the D minor, 3rd string for the G minor, and 2nd string for the B minor. And again, the 1st string there for the E minor. So if you follow that pattern, you tap on the 12th fret, and then you pull off to the open string. You hammer on with the index finger on the 3rd fret, and you hammer on with a little finger on the 7th fret. Those are all your notes of a minor chord. And take your time working on it. Start off kind of slow and speed it up a little bit. And, you know, it's just a cool pattern to use. Again, here, I put some distortion on and kind of play it out. Hey, Mr. G, cool little pattern for finger tapping the notes to a minor chord. Again, keep on jamming.